Pradesh, and I have completed my MCA in Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University in the year 2022 with 87.2 percentage. And I come to know about J Spiders Hebbal from my sister, who herself is an alumni of the J Spider. And here I have completed my Java full stack course. And in the teachers or the trainers here are very helpful, and they teach in an amazing way. They teach each of the topics in an amazingly fun way, and they are also helpful as in a way that even if we have any questions, they always try to answer it, and they always clear my doubts. I never have to ask them twice about anything. And in Java, for Java, my faculties were Rahul sir and Pooja ma'am. Rahul sir took my core Java class, and he also took my programming class. In programming, here Rahul sir tell us how the logic of the program is, and he also shows us how to do the tracing so that we can understand how the program is working. And I am very grateful for that. Because of that, I have understand the basic concept of OOPS and everything else about Java. And for SQL, Navya ma'am was there. She taught us very carefully, and the advanced topics that I didn't know from my course, from my MCA, I got to know about them here and very deeply. And in web technology, Siraj sir taught us the web technology. He gave us different types of website to create, and because of those I got to know how to create a website and how to use the position and box model for creating the websites. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the HR of the J Spiders Hebbal. Because of them I'm able to get a job, because because of them only, because they provided the requirement for it. I like to thank Adarsh sir and Priya ma'am for adding me for the requirement. And here in J Spiders Hebbal, they also give us presentation class that helps us in improving our communication, and they also tell us how to present yourself and what to do. And they also take our grooming class and mocks, because only with grooming and mock can we clear the interview, and we got to know what type of questions will be asked in the in the interviews. And they have provided me with the requirements whenever I am eligible. I never have to ask the HRs or my teachers for adding me. I would like to thank all of the HRs and faculty of J Spiders Hebbal for giving me this opportunity. And whoever my friends that want to do a job or get a job in IT sector, they should come and join the J Spiders Hebbal, because here you will get the technical knowledge and you will get in-depth knowledge about how the things are working. You will get to know the real life example of OOPS, and you can create your own example just by studying the concepts here. The teachers here taught very thoroughly. That is.